Hey there, my name is Sarah May Ives, and I am an ads manager, and I sometimes make tutorial videos. We are going to talk about how to find and use audio for Instagram Reels. And if you can't find audio that you want to use on the platform, how to create your own and quickly and easily upload it to Instagram so you can use it. So, yesterday I had an idea for a special reel that I wanted to do. It involved doing a crying scene, so I needed audio of someone crying. And I didn't have one saved on Instagram. So, as you probably know, when you're going through Instagram Reels, if you like a sound you hear, you can save it and reuse that sound. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But for this idea, I had no existing one saved, nor had I ever seen one. So I had to make my own. So before we get on to creating your original clip, I'm going to quickly show you how to save real audio that you want to use in the future.
Basically, it's super simple. You're going to click down here on the video, and then this little thing at the bottom, and you'll see that there's a place down here that says use audio. Okay, so super and simple and easy if you want to use the audio. You can also save it as well. So you can see when you click on that, there's also an option up here to save it.
So now let's get on to actually how to create your own audio for a reel. So first and foremost, what you need is a computer. You also need your phone, and you need access to the clips, to the movie, or whatever it is that you want to record. So this is the clip that I use. I just went onto YouTube and I YouTubed famous crying scenes. And the one with Diane Keaton in Something's Gotta Give came up, and it was on a YouTube clip. So, what you're going to do is grab your phone, open up your camera, and start to record a video. And what you want to do is play the clip on YouTube at the same time that you're recording the video. So, you're really creating a video file of the audio sound. This is not a video that you're going to watch. You're purely going to use it for the sound. So it doesn't matter what you're pointing the camera at. It's truly just to make sure that you get a good quality audio sound. And the closer that you hold it to the speaker, the better. Okay, so that's how you create the video file of the sound.
Now you've got the video file on your phone, and you want to open up your Instagram app. Okay, and then at the top right hand corner, you'll see that little plus sign where you're going to click on it. You're going to select Reel, and hello. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the music note at the left hand side, and you're going to click Import. Okay, and then that's where you're going to see all the videos. So your video file will be there. This was my crying video file that I recorded in with a screen share. Okay, and then you're going to click done, and then you'll see it tells you how much time you have to record. And when you click the reel button, you'll see that the sound plays. Okay, and then you can click next, and then you'll see that when you publish this reel, it's going to have this as your original audio. So that is how it's done. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. Happy to answer.